Janelle Schaefer here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. I'm celebrating today. Actually, yesterday on Halloween, 10/31/21, I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I was very excited to see that 1K when I signed on to my YouTube account. I really started posting videos last September. I started my channel maybe a few years prior, had only a couple videos, but last September I had like 23 subscribers, and I remember making the goal of hitting 1,000 and feeling like that was so far away. But a little bit more than a year later, I've made it. I'm so thankful and grateful for those of you who keep coming back to this channel. And I want to do a giveaway as a celebratory exchange for your time spending here listening to my videos. So this is what I'm giving away, and you will have to do I think it's like 4 things. They're not that difficult. I don't have a huge list of, sometimes it's like this wild treasure hunt to do everything, and it's overwhelming, so I tried to make it pretty simple. But this is what I'm giving away. I am giving away 3 of my tea blends, 3 bags. So this is 6 ounces of tea. Each bag is 2 ounces. I have my Calm Me tea, which is catnip, lavender, and spearmint, and it does just that. It's calming. It's good for relaxing the nervous system, typically before bed, like in the evening. I have my Love Me tea, and that is, again, the title explains it all. It is rose, catnip, and chamomile. Rose is typically an herb for the heart, opening up the heart, helping you to release any kind of stored or stuck emotion in the heart. Chamomile, very soothing, very gentle, often given to children. And again, catnip, calming to the nervous system. And my third tea that I'm giving away is my Protect Me tea blend, which I came up with last year in 2020 for obvious reasons. It is nettle, red raspberry leaf, yarrow, calendula, hibiscus, echinacea, ginger, clove, and licorice root. And this one is an immune boosting everything kind of tea, and with lots of nutrients. The nettle, red raspberry nutrients, soothing herbs, immune system herbs, a really great tea blend. And then besides these 3 teas, I'm giving away a hard copy of my book, my booklet, All You Need to Know About Making Herbal Tea. And this is the booklet that it is available on Amazon. It's in my description down below, but I give the PDF version, the eBook version, away free, or I have to people who sign up for my newsletter, so that is still available. But I want to tell you now what you need to do to get this awesome gift. So hopefully this isn't taking too long for you. Okay, 1, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you've already done it, great. 2, go over to Instagram. I will have everything listed 1, 2, 3, 4 right in the very beginning of the description. So over on Instagram, I'm at Sheep Hill Herbs. Follow me on Instagram, and then like a post and make a quick comment on a post. 3, you're going to go to my Facebook page. That is Sheep Hill Herbs, and I will have the link for that. And follow my Facebook page. And 4, and step 4 is the most important, because if you've done 1, 2, 3, but not 4, you won't be entered into the giveaway. And 4 is sign up for my newsletter. And to do that, you go to my website, sheephillherbs.com, and I'll list this as number 4. Go to the contact page, send me a message, and put 1K giveaway. Something like that. If it's close to that, I'll know what you mean. And then if you've already been added to my newsletter, it doesn't matter. Just do that anyway so that I know you did all the steps and that you'll be entered into the giveaway. So then next Monday, so today is the 1st of November, Monday the 7th of November, a week from now, so you have a week to find this video and do these things. I will announce who won the 3 teas, my own signature tea blends, and my All You Need to Know About Making Herbal Tea booklet next Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my Facebook page. That will be live. If you miss the live, I will have your email address and I will definitely email you to let you know that you won and get your address so that I can mail this to you. So thank you so much coming and supporting this channel. Keep coming, share, like, comment, and like what I was saying, check the description. 1, 2, 3, 4 simple steps to enter my giveaway. Thanks so much and come again.